My name is Islam Saeed. Today I'm going to be doing a demo of the web page we created. This web page is made to display blood panel data, specifically complete blood count or CBC data. It will not only display this data, but we are also generating an AI summary. Of that data. This will help inform the user a little bit more about what that data means, help them interpret it, and help them understand their health better before going to see a primary care physician. As you can see here, our deployment is up. We used GitHub Pages in order to do so. We created two main pages, the login page and then the display page. On the login page, it's functional, so we created distinct users with the data locked behind it. Our eventual goal is to get that FHIR data synthetically created and tied to each login user. So for now, I'm going to log in as Jane Doe, one of the users we created, to show the display page. Here on the display page, we have the test results shown in the center. This will show the complete blood count results in their just rawest form. On the right here will be the AI summary, where people can look to see what these results might mean, what some common results are, and the normal results to see if their results are high or low. And then at the very bottom, if they're not satisfied with just the summary, they can ask a little bit more about some of the results they receive. On the top left, you can change which test results you're seeing. So each page is organized by date. This is the data for the 10/26 blood panel result, but then you can change it to see what other blood panel results they have for different dates. The AI summary will generate dynamically based on the date. So as each test result changes, the summary will change to reflect that. Lastly, there's the login button here at the top right. You can log out, which will take you back to the login page, and then log in as a different user. Right now, I'm going to log in as John Doe to show that we have several different users with different results and different dates. For the AI summary, we unfortunately had some trouble with GitHub and the way they manage some of their secret keys. So the API key could not be put in except through a specific way with GitHub. We plan to do that for the next deployment. So in order to show our results, we're using a local deployment where we hard-coded the API key so that we could show how it looks. Here you can see the 9/11 results for John Doe still. Here are his test results, and then the interpretation or the summary of those test results. For example, the red blood cells is 5.4 million. It'll tell them that it's within normal range. We also made sure that the summary does not give any interpretations or diagnoses, and we're also going to be coding in a name so that they can take care as a take care message, as well as a reminder to always check in with their healthcare provider. Now, if you change the date from 9/11 to 10/11, you'll see that the AI summary changes and dynamically loads a new one for those specific results. So now the red blood count is 5.6 million and still within normal range. Now for the question. We also hope to get this done for the next deployment, but here we have an example using an assistant we created. We gave John Doe's information for 10/11, and there was a summary generated. So the user will be able to ask questions about that. Even though all the blood panel results were in normal range, the user wanted to know, is there still something wrong with them because they feel sick? Here the AI will generate a response, and then you can ask more questions. The user will send that question in and then receive a response. And the AI will always recommend that they go see a doctor if they're worried about their health.